respected members, this is our third video on the topic of Section 44 AD of the Income Tax Act. In our earlier videos, we had discussed that if Section 44 AD is opted out before the required period of subsequent 5 assessment years, then assessee may become ineligible for Section 44 AD for the next 5 assessment years. Now, the question arises that what are the options which may be available with the assessee after completion of the ineligibility period of 5 assessment years. In this regard, my personal opinion is that after completion of the ineligibility period, 2 alternative options may be available with the assessee. The first option is that the assessee may again start computing profits under Section 44 AD, or alternatively, second option is that the Section 44 AD is not followed. If first option is exercised and assessee immediately start following Section 44 AD after completion of the ineligibility period, then again Section 44 AD will have to be continuously followed for subsequent 5 assessment years. The consequences of opting out before the required period may be same as we have already discussed in our earlier videos. Now, if second option is exercised, which means Section 44 AD is not followed immediately after completion of the ineligibility period, then in such case the regular provisions of the Income Tax Act may apply, which means if there is liability for maintaining regular books of accounts under Section 44 AA, then same will have to be maintained. If there is liability for getting accounts audited under Section 44 AB, then the same may have to be got done. And if there is no liability for accounts and audit and ITR is filed, then in ITR form the details may have to be filled as required for no account case. Here it is important to note that in such cases there may not be any liability for accounts and audit by virtue of subsection 4 and subsection 5 of Section 44 AD. Here, and another important point is that if second option is exercised, which means after expiry of ineligibility period, Section 44 AD is not immediately followed, then also this section may be adopted in any subsequent assessment year. Suppose in the example which was taken in our earlier videos, the ineligibility period was expiring in assessment year 2033-34 and the assessee was again becoming eligible for Section 44 AD from assessment year 2034-35. Then in such cases the assessee may again start following Section 44 AD from assessment year 2034-35, or alternatively he may go for regular non-presumptive taxation scheme from assessment year 2034-35. In case Section 44 AD is not followed from assessment year 2034-35, then also the same may be followed from any subsequent assessment years, say in assessment year 2035-36 or in assessment year 2036-7 or in any other later assessment year. I hope that this information may be useful. In our subsequent videos, we will continue on our present topic. Once again, I repeatedly request you to please give me your full support and first preference vote in upcoming Central Council elections of our institute, ICAI, to be held in the month of December 2024. Thanks and regards, CA Sharad Jain. Thank you.